Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about the LTCT metering. How do we test the CT ratio? And this is quite important because we actually don't have an instrument to, or we can't afford to buy costly CT ratio testing equipment with these small CTs, because in LTCT metering we're using these small CTs of, for example, for regarding this one, it's I'm taking this as a reference, but you can do for other CTs also. Like you can take 100 by 5, 150 by 5, or 200 by 5, 250 by 5, 300 by 5, so on and so forth. But if it is true for this, it will be true for others also. So this is the 50 by 5 ratio. Now, how do I check the correctness of this ratio? It may be wrong also. Manufacturing defect may be there, but then how do I check the ratio? Because see, this is a 50 by 5. All right, now this 50 by 5, it means the ratio here is 10, or the MF is 10. Okay, because the voltage, normally we are taking that the voltage which is 230 directly come without a potential transformer. We are not stepping down or stepping up. Directly is the voltage at the distribution end of the distribution transformer. So this is what 50 by 5. So what I'll do with this, see, these are the secondaries. You see, these are the secondaries. You see red and white. Red is for S1 and black one is for S2. All right, am I right? Yes, red is for S1, and the connection. You can watch other videos how it is connected. And these are the primary. From one it enters and it leaves from here. Okay, so if 50 ampere flow in the primary, it means 5 ampere will flow in the secondary. All right, and now and then how do I test the CT? So I'll do the reverse thing. Now I'll apply, if I apply a 5 ampere in the secondary, I should be getting, if I short the primary, I should be getting 50 ampere. All right, now what I'll do like this. I'll be connecting the secondary in series. Okay, with this the connection is like this. This is the circuit diagram. I'll be applying this 230 volt AC supply, which is readily available in our domestic supply in our homes, and then I'll be connecting this with the secondary like this. Okay, which is rated as 5 ampere. Okay, like this, and then I'll be connecting a heater here just to limit the load, otherwise it will be too much current and then it may burn also. So if I'm connecting a heater of 1 kilowatt here, and then suppose, because this is 1 kilowatt, then obviously if you take that as a resistance, then if you measure the current here in this will be around 3.8 ampere. All right, and if 3.8 ampere flows in the secondary, because our MF is 10, ratio is 10, so 38 ampere will flow in the primary, which I'll be shorting these primary terminals. All right, and then I'll do now the practical things I'll do here. Okay, so like this. So this is our CT, just to check the ratio is correct or not. That means I'll have to use a heater here, I'll do the connection like this, and then around 40 ampere or 3.8 ampere will flow in the secondary, and then I'll be using a climeter, because I've already shorted this primary. Then I'll be using a climeter, and then I'll measure the current in the primary, how much will I get, and then that will, if I am getting around 38 or 39 or 37, that means the ratio is fine. That is how I check the CT ratio. All right, now we'll go into the practical things. So the one that I just told you, this is the whole setup. All right, now I have taken the power supply from there, which is our domestic voltage only, and then the connection is like this. And then I'm connecting this load like this, which is in series with the secondary of the CT like this. I've connected this like this. See, the primary I'm connecting in series with the meter also, just for measurement of current, and then we'll see how much current will be there in the primary, which I've shorted like this. Okay, I'm using this climeter also to read the current. All right, so this is okay, so I have on a heater like this, and then I'll see what is the load in the secondary of the CT. I've connected this meter just to know what is the secondary current, because this is series with a secondary 240. See, 3.88 ampere is the current in the secondary of the CT, and then if you multiply this with MF of 10, you should be getting around 38. And let's see how much is our climeter read. Climeter is reading 38, which is not bad. All right, it is not bad. 38 it fluctuate, it keep fluctuating, which is good enough. That is, which is, it indicates that this ratio is good enough for our to measure, or it's good enough to indicate that the MF is 10, or 50/5 is actually correct. All right, so this is how you do. It's very simple. You just have to inject current in the this is same as injecting current in the secondary and see what is the primary current. But remember that you have to short the primary. All right, if you don't short, then it may lead to CT blasting. All right, so this is the whole setup, and it's easy to learn. Okay, so thank you.